guys, my name is Kelly. I am going to be doing my December what sold video just for Poshmark. It's going to be pretty quick. These last few months have been some of my slowest for a variety of reasons. So yeah, I'm just going to share just a couple, and then I'm going to film my top sales of 2021, and then hopefully if I have time I'm going to film my top Thredup sales. Poshmark and Instagram are both rebel_rose_co. If you liked, commented, subscribed, that would mean a lot to me. I work really hard on these videos and I don't make any money. I'm trying to get monetized, but I need like 1,000 more watch hours, so every minute that you watch helps. Okay, let's get started. So the first item was a new with tags 220. I'm looking down at my computer. First item was a new with tags $228 current Elliott, the stiletto leopard skinny jeans. These sat for forever because I feel like printed skinny jeans are not super in. Yeah, like not really at all, but they sold for $40. These two things are not that exciting, but they were in my most recent haul, so I'm just gonna mention them. One was a Patagonia organic cotton Anya jogger sweatpants, and they had a paint splatter on them. They sold for $14, so that was fine. And then a Torrid medium wash denim jean trucker jacket. That sold for $20. That was fine. Yeah, I was pleasantly surprised with this item. Free People is very hit or miss for me. Usually I can barely give it away, but I was hoping for like 20 bucks for this item, but I sold it for 36. It was a Free People Beaumont Muse peasant top. Yeah, just a really nice pink boho peasant top, and I sold it for $36. So I was really happy with that. It sold right away too. Yeah, a lot of like low sales. Free People Clarissa mock neck marled sweater for $20. Okay, this one I was happy with. I just hauled this too. A Calvin Klein rose gold sequin cowl back dress. Super pretty. It had like a low back. Yeah, I really liked it. This is a brand that I am not going to, I have a fake septum piercing and I'm trying to decide if I want to get a real one. I think I do, but I don't know. So this is a brand that I'm not really going to be picking up anymore probably. I mean, I might, but it's a Logo by Lori Goldstein orange ruffle tunic top. It has done well for me in the past, but I think if I get it for super cheap, I'm just going to send it into Thredup from now on. Okay, so this is a good brand, but it did not sell for very much at all. It's a Spiritual Gangster tiger muscle tank top, and it sold for $18. I mean, that was fine, but it's like I'll still pick it up, but only if it's like a buck or so. And then I sold an Aritzia Babaton linen blend gray heather sweater. I've had this for forever. I really wanted more for this, but I got an offer for $25 and it had been sitting, so I accepted. Okay, these two items, I know some of these items are not exciting like at all, but I am mentioning a couple things that were just in hauls. So I sold a J. Crew boy linen blend striped button down top. Super cute. The style name was Boy. I don't really ever list J. Crew, but it was linen, so I was like, sure, I'll list it. I normally just send any cheap J. Crew I get into Thredup, but it sold for $20 and it sold right away. This one was a vintage Gitano bright sky blue overalls, or like a romper kind of thing with pockets. It sold for $25. It was just cotton, I believe, but it felt like linen. And then a Sperry Mermaid Disney lace-up sneakers. They weren't Disney brand, but they had a Disney print on them. It didn't say like a collab anywhere. It was, or maybe it was like some like knockoff Disney thing. It was like a mermaid print with like red hair, so obviously Ariel. But yeah, that sold pretty quick. Nike Dry Fit purple and white tennis golf athletic dress. I barely ever sell Nike. Never sell athletic dresses, but I listed this and it sold within an hour. Sold a St. John 100% cashmere gray mock neck tank top for $27. Okay, this was something that I got at the yellow tag sale at TJ Maxx. It was a new with tags Wild Fox tacos and Marg's graphic t-shirt. I hadn't looked up comps on this and they're very oversaturated, but I paid, it was either $1 or $2 for new with tags Wild Fox, and they take up no space. It's just a t-shirt because I have some more. So honestly, I don't care if this sits for like a long time, but I only got $15 for it, so that was a little bit disappointing. Okay, this one was disappointing too. This month was just disappointing, I guess. It was a new with tags $235 pair of frame velvet lay crop mini boot pants, and I only sold them for $30. So yeah, I was disappointed with that, but they've been sitting for like over a year and no one wanted them, and I was thinking about sending them into the RealReal because I just sent in my first box to the RealReal. I'll link that video up here. So far 2 things have sold, and one I'm happy about and one I'm not happy about. So whenever everything sells, or you know, everything's done, then I will do an updated video on that. I sold a pair of Timberland Dossette leather lace-up sneakers for $25. I sold a bundle with some cool hiking pants, Tory Burch zip-up sweatshirt, a bunch of other little things. Yeah, honestly, this month was not good. This video is only 7 minutes long. Sometimes these videos are like 30 minutes long. Yeah, Poshmark was slow. I did make some sales on other platforms, but it was nothing exciting. So yeah, this month has been slow. I've been focusing on other things. So yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and don't feel bad if you had a slow month, and I will see you next time.